Any day is a good day for tacos. Yes, any day. And with this prepara tray, it's not only festive, but it's actually very useful in the preparation of the tacos themselves. So if you're going to prepare a whole mess of tacos, you can put all the tortillas and prepare them one by one. It would be perfect if you had a lazy Susan, right? So you can spin it around and just go mass produced as many tacos as you can, as many tacos as they fit in here. What's perfect about it is how it holds it. And then from there, all you have to do is pick it up and take a bite. Preferably, you do the prep and you get all the ingredients separated like we have here in this beautiful table. And then you put the tacos together with all the ingredients and the toppings. And then at the end, you put a lot of meat so that when the first bite is the best bite. Fun for the whole family, but it's also beautiful and festive.